After working on well over 7,000 projects, I decided to write this book related to digital marketing for e-commerce. The majority of my clients have been e-commerce business owners, and some of them have become 70 billion euro business in Europe. I help businesses in North America, Asia, Europe, and by following my roadmap, you will be able to dominate and become market leader. From understanding your target audience and creating compelling content to optimizing your website for search engines and leveraging social media platforms, I'll cover all aspects of digital marketing tailored to the needs of e-commerce owners like yourself. How can you optimize your website for better conversion rates? Digital marketing today is way more different from a few years ago, especially after March 2024 with Google's algorithm update. Many businesses lost their businesses because of it. They lost ranking. In this book, I provided strategies based on the latest algorithm updates. What marketing strategies are most effective for driving traffic to your e-commerce system? What are the best practices for managing inventory and fulfillment? How can you effectively utilize social media to promote your products? What tools or software can help streamline your e-commerce operation? What kind of influencer marketing you should be choosing? I explained the drawbacks and benefits of influencer marketing and influencer marketing strategies, which help my clients to increase their sales and compete with major player companies. How can you enhance the user experience on your website to reduce bounce rates? What metrics should you be tracking to measure the success of your e-commerce business? How can you optimize your product's listing for better search engine visibility and much more? I have successfully closed over 7,000 projects with a vast majority involving e-commerce clients from Germany to Hungary, England to the USA and Canada. Companies have entrusted me to elevate their e-commerce ventures to six-figure successes. In my book, I share a comprehensive roadmap to help you achieve similar triumphs. Your e-commerce or online shopping website success depends on your ability to effectively leverage the power of digital marketing, whether you're selling artisan crafts, trendy fashion items, or cutting-edge technology gadgets. Mastering the techniques of online promotion is essential for attracting customers, driving sales, and building a thriving brand. Your e-commerce or online shopping website success depends on your ability to effectively leverage the power of marketing. From the get-go, I show you how to choose the web hosting. This is not your usual web hosting providers online. I tell you how to approach web hosting providers, what to ask them, because when you read my book, you definitely will be able to sell. When you follow my strategies and blueprint and roadmap, you will be able to sell, and then you need a reliable hosting and web server. So there are so many tactics and strategies along with case studies in this book, which you will not find online. In contrast with what a bunch of hypes that YouTubers talk about, yeah, you will become billionaire, millionaire if you follow this or that. Those are fairy tales. I myself, I got my 4 bachelor's degrees and 2 master's degrees when I started my business. I felt I know nothing. I was the best student in my class. I had to learn by doing it. So all those degrees counted nothing because they were theories. This is the reason I share with you my experience in different countries and strategies which are tried and true and help businesses to become six-figure incomes, successful businesses. I explain about PPC campaigns, setting up advertising, affiliate programs. These are my experiences. They are not a bunch of hypes you hear and read or watch on YouTube. There are tried and true strategies to have a successful business online. I highly recommend buying this book. Have a lovely day. Bye.